Just close your eyes for a moment. Imagine you're in your kitchen somewhere. On your table is a basket of lemons, and you reach out and select a ripe one. Feel the weight of the lemon in your hand. Slide your fingers over the lemon, feeling the smoothly waxy skin. And take a knife and slice it open. As the bright yellow flesh is exposed, you see the juice run out. The aroma fills the room. Just take a slice and put it in your mouth and bite down on it. All the juice runs over your tongue. Your mouth fills with a taste of lemon juice. And then you can open your eyes again. What did you notice? Could you smell the lemon? Could you taste the juice of the lemon? Did your mouth fill itself with saliva? Did you notice that you had to swallow once or twice? To your mind, this experience was a real experience. And so the signals were sent to the body to react as if you would actually bite in the lemon. Translating this into our experience of anxiety, we might conclude that what we feel is not rooted in reality, but is a product of our imagination. We worry about things that do not yet exist or may even never ever exist. Our brain thinks it's real, a real threat. Consequently, anxiety is nothing other than a response caused by how we think.